How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80070141. Here are some tips that would help fix Microsoft Store error 0x80070141. 1. Run Windows Store App Troubleshooter. 2. Temporarily turn off your third-party antivirus and / or firewall software. 3. Reset Microsoft Store through Windows 10 settings. 4. To fix error 0x80070141, device is unreachable, try running the hardware and device troubleshooter, run msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command in command prompt as admin. Reconnecting with a different USB port, if applicable, such as connect your phone to a USB 2.0 port. For smartphone users, turn on these options: photo sharing, My Photo Stream and iCloud photo sharing. Copy the files directly to your PC. Plan B, copy files one by one. Rename files or directories. And, shorten the file name. Try a different USB cable. Set your phone to work as a media device via the Connect as a media device option. Remove your phone from Device Manager and try scanning for hardware changes. Try Photo Sync app. Install the latest version. Of iTunes on your Windows 10 PC. Choose Trust this computer on your phone. Update your Windows.